Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a German-made Retsch fixed blade hammer mill. Has a push-in, turn, release cover. You can see the rotor in there. It takes a full circle screen which nests against the O-rings on the cover, one to seal the cover, one to seal the O-ring, which sits in there in the groove you can see in the back wall. You'd obviously need the screen that you're going to work with. It locks in, that connects to a micro switch. That's the only time the machine can be run. The machine has a 2.2 kW drive. Small unit you see up there is a fan to cool the rear of the mill, as well as I assume the belt and drive system. We have lots of mills in our stock, so I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.